Happy New Year to all you awesome people. It's a new year, which means new art and new content on this channel. I want to go over some goals and resolutions I have for this year here. I wrote them down on this fancy post-it and I want to share them with you. It's goals, resolutions, and updates. But I first want to say thank you so much for an awesome last year. I think I gained somewhere around 10,000 subscribers, which brought us just over 30,000 subscribers here on this channel. And you know what? I want to keep it going. I think I could probably get 15,000, which would take us to 45,000 total. But you know what? Let's push that limit and let's aim for 50,000 subscribers at the end of this year. That's one of my goals. And if you haven't had a chance, make sure you hit subscribe on this channel because I greatly appreciate it. And don't forget about those social media accounts. A really cool update that YouTube is bringing out, if not already, some of you will get it in the upcoming months or this quarter, is a brand new For You section on every channel that you visit on YouTube. But for my channel, it'll be tailored to you. What YouTube thinks you will want to see, or content that you may have missed that may be more tailored to you. So when you go to my channel now or in the near future, you'll see a nice little film strip at the bottom that says For You. And they're videos that should help you become a better painter, or they're more in tune with what may be content that you want to watch. It's actually really cool. So don't be afraid to visit my channel if you're looking for more content to watch in the future or some things you may have missed in the past. Another cool update that YouTube is bringing out, but I don't have a release date just yet. I think it's the first half this year, but maybe the second half, is they're going to do A/B testing, which means I get to load in multiple thumbnails to earn your clicks. And it's kind of hard being a content creator to see which thumbnail is going to work for you and earn your click. I don't like to do clickbait, but I also like to have fun with my thumbnails and make them interesting. But A/B testing will be fun for me, which means on my old content, I'm going to go back and make some new thumbnails when this product gets released to me. So you may see some new thumbnails on some old content, and if you do and you like them, hey, let me know in the comments below the video because I'm trying to figure out what you like. All right, cool update on the book I've been working on. I've mentioned it a couple times in the past videos of last year, but I've been working on a book that's going to help you sell art from beginner to amateur, professional, and beyond, everything like that. And the book is almost done. I actually have got 2 more sections I want to add because I learned something at the end of last year that I want to add to this book because it's all about payment processing. Don't want to go into the details. And a little small thing on taxes that's going to be a big, huge benefit for anyone that plans on selling art in person at events. And I want to share that with you, so I'm going to add those 2 sections, and then the book should be good to go out. And I'm still figuring out where I want to sell it, but pay attention to this channel if you want to start selling art, because trust me, it's got all the best secrets you can want. It's going to be in the first quarter of this year, so I'm excited for that. A really cool announcement that I finally get to share with all of you out there is I will be teaching live in-person oil painting classes here in Southern California. My friend Amanda Ruth Art, who is an exceptional artist, by the way, you should follow her on Instagram, is sadly moving away from Southern California and asked me if I could take over her classes. And I said, yeah, I've already helped out with one and it's super fun. So 1 weekend a month, I will be teaching live in-person oil painting classes here in Southern California. More details to follow after February. So if you live in Southern California, you can take a painting class from me, and it's an extremely good value sponsored from a company, which I will tell about in a future video, but keep that on your calendar if you're interested. Now, if you can't make the painting classes, the cool thing about them is I actually have to submit what painting I'll be doing 1 month in advance, and I'm gonna record me painting the advanced painting and make a lesson out of it, which means those will live right here on YouTube. So you'll see what I'll be doing, which means I'll do somewhere between 8 and 10 landscape tutorials here on this channel, and I know a lot of you have been asking for more tutorials. One thing that I was surprised by in 2023 is how many people emailed me or DM'd me if I do one-on-one private online lessons. And I used to, but I haven't done them in a while because just life gets in the way. I think most people understand that. But I'm curious, should I bring them back, and would you be interested in doing one-on-one online lessons? If you are, let me know down in the comments down below. In addition to that, I always get great feedback when we do our live streams and I review your art that you submit to me and I give you helpful tips or just some insights. But sometimes I can't always do live streams just because, again, life gets in the way, or I'm just lazy and I want to relax on my weekend. So I was thinking maybe I can find a happy medium and open up a new YouTube member tier. And maybe once a month or every couple of weeks, the people in that tier, I'll go in depth and review that art and launch that video so people can learn tips and tricks or where they're struggling with or just beneficial things. Let me know if that's something that interests you as well. And since I'm asking for feedback, I really want your help on what you'd like to see on this channel and how I can help you grow as an artist. I love growing on this channel and making a little bit of money on the side, but I really enjoy helping you become a better painter or just express your creativity, or better yet, jump into a creative field. It's very rewarding for me. And there's a lot of tools on YouTube that say make videos about this or do this in this subject area, but it doesn't seem to help too much. So I want to hear your feedback. What do you want to see? More tutorials, longer tutorials, in-depth tutorials, simpler tutorials, product reviews, how to use products correctly, what products to stay away from. Hey, maybe you want to see things outside of painting. You want to see things about art in general, or I don't know, art history. I don't know. I'm just, throwing things out here and stumbling a lot through it, but I'd love to know what you want to see on the channel. I love to get feedback. And yeah, that's all the notes I have on the Post-its there. So thank you so much for sticking with me. This year I'm going to make, obviously, bigger and better. And if you haven't already, why don't you go down below this video, hit like and subscribe, and leave me a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, and as always, peace.